Good morning, students. I hope all are fit and fine at your home. Students, today is continue your chapter 5 of industries. Today's topic distribution of major industries. Major industries divided into three categories like iron and steel industry, second is textile industry, third is information technology. The world major industries are the iron and steel industries, the textile industry, and the information technology industry. The iron and steel and textile industry are the older industries, while information technology is an emerging industry. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, Japan, Russia and China. Leading producer in the world USA, leading producer in India Jharkhand. Now we'll start read about iron and steel industry. Like other industries, iron and steel industry too comprises various inputs, process and outputs. This is a feeder industry whose products are used as a raw material for other industries. The inputs for the industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal and limestone along with the labor, capital, site and other infrastructure. It is a input. Process converting iron ore into a steel involves many stages. The raw material is put in the blast furnaces where it undergoes smelting, is then refined. The output obtained is steel, which may be used by other industries as a raw material. Steel is often called the backbone of the modern industries. Almost everything we use is either made of iron or steel or has been made with tools, machinery of these metals. It is so because various things like ships, trains, trucks, and autos are made of steels. Even the safety pins and the needle used are made from steel. Oil wells are drilled with the steel machinery. Steel pipelines transport oil. Minerals are mined with steel equipment. From machines are mostly steel. Large buildings have steel frameworks. These other things made by steels and iron. Before 1800 AD, iron and steel industry was located where raw materials, power supply and running water were easily available. And later the ideal location for the industries was near coal field and close to canals and railways. After 1950, iron and steel industry began to be located on a large areas. Now we are going to discuss about which cities famous for steel and iron ores. Geographically, Shamshedpur is the most conventionally situated iron and steel center in the country. Before 1947, there was only one iron and steel plant in the country. Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, formerly known as TISCO. Was privately owned. After independence, the government took initiative and set up iron and steel plants. TISCO was started in 1907 at Sachi, The Indian iron and steel industry consists of large integrated steel plants as well as a mini steel mills. It is also includes secondary producers like rolling mills ਰੋਲਿੰਗ ਮਿਲਸ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਰਨ ਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਲਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੋਲਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਟਾਈਪ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਨਫਰਾਸਟ੍ਰਕਚਰ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਨੈਕਸਟ, ਐਂਸਲਰੀ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀਜ਼। ਦਿਸ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ, ਕਾਰਾਂ, ਮੋਟਰਸ, ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗਸ ਜੋ ਆਇਰਨ ਔਰ ਸਟੀਲ ਤੋਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਸਟ ਲੁੱਕ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਪਰਤ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਟੀਲ ਔਰ ਆਇਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੇਅਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਫਿੱਟ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਨੈਕਸਟ, ਪਿਟਸਬਰਗ city. It is an important steel city of the United States of America. The steel industry at Pittsburgh enjoys location advantage. Some of the raw materials such as coal is available locally.